Hello my friends, I have another abstract background for Fusion Davinci Resolve. Templates you can download on my blog, and link for my blog will be under the video and video description. So let's get to it. Alright, once you open the Fusion, go on FX Library, Templates and folder where you extracted a file. Use the abstract background number 13. Connect to the media out, wait few seconds to render, and you will get the abstract background. When I ungroup, here you will see this one is simple. Of course, I included one node here for the adding something else, and you will see first on the bottom you will see the background. Background here use the gradient, and then you will have two layers on top of each other. The first here above the background you will get the node for connecting something else. You will have two texts, of course, one on top, one on the bottom, and these two pieces, as you can see, when I disconnect and connect like this. The cutout is made with a rectangle, one on the top and one on the bottom, and casting small shadow, and that's it. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a like, give a dislike if you didn't, follow me on social media, subscribe to the channel, comment under the video if we have any questions, and I will see you in another video.